Alright, Black Point Man here with another episode of What's in the Box. So, for any of you who don't know, here's a hint. We got the logo on the box. The logo is Black Rifle Coffee Company. That's the theming of the table. You can't open a Black Rifle Coffee Company box without the Black Rifle and a couple of pistols. For those of you who don't know anything about the Black Rifle Coffee Company, they are a veteran-owned company. They support veterans organizations with their profits and their Second Amendment pro-freedom organization, thus the name. So with that, let's get out the old Benchmade, crack her open. See what's inside. Black Rifle Coffee. Join the club. That's an invoice. We got a Black Rifle Coffee t-shirt. Oh yeah. Let's check this guy out. I'm not sponsored by Black Rifle Coffee. I just happen to really like their coffee and what they stand for. On the back, and the sleeve. Coffee or die with the snake. We have two 12-ounce bags of just black beans. I like to grind my own. Just black is good enough. My wife actually likes the coffee black. A Black Rifle Coffee Company sticker. Awesome. And what's this? Let's grab the have Black Rifle Coffee without something to drink it in. This is a really nice Black Rifle Coffee stainless steel vacuum sealed mug. And if you want to put something in your Black Rifle coffee, Leadslingers whiskey. This is also done by some of the same guys. Matt Best is part of the group, Leadslingers Whiskey. Also, another group that supports the Second Amendment, freedom, and veterans organizations. If you can find it, I recommend you pick some up. So there you go. There's the unboxing and the episode of What's in the Box for the day. See you in the next one. If you like and subscribe. And share.